The Blizzard Storm Jacket functions as a hard shell. The 2.5 layers of material are extremely abrasion resistant, breathable, and offer protection from wind and weather. Because of the special cut, the jacket can be worn either as a single layer or as an outdoor shell. The jacket is equipped with numerous technical features. It features an adjustable storm hood, which protects from extreme wind and weather conditions without restricting the field of vision. There are other special features, such as a transparent watch window or the easy-to-use zips.